Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about Gulf of Mexico drillship accident and offshore oil platform death. Offshore drilling in the US and Gulf of Mexico is often considered one of America's most hazardous professions. Workers must handle highly combustible materials, toxic chemicals, and heavy equipment regularly. Nevertheless, the oil and natural gas industries continue to grow rapidly, supplying many Texan and other along the Gulf Coast with high-risk jobs. Whether you are working on a platform or drillship, it is important to know what to do after being involved in Gulf of Mexico drillship accidents and offshore oil platform deaths. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), offshore workers are 7 times more likely to die on the job than any other type of workers in the United States. For seamen and other crew members working aboard a drillship, their daily work life is full of long work hours and little to no rest, which increases the risk of offshore accidents. Drillships have become the most popular offshore drilling rigs since they travel faster than semi-submersible. In addition to their movability, drillships are also great at the deep sea drilling. Typically used in deep and ultra-deep waters, these vessels can be used in water depths ranging from 2,000 to more than 10,000 feet. Offshore drilling workers' accidents. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration oversees working conditions at all offshore oil rigs and well sites and conducts inspections to ensure that they meet federal safety requirements. However, due to limited resources, numerous violations are overlooked or ignored, creating dangerous working environments. Long working hours and insufficient rest periods also increase the chance of offshore accidents. Traumatic brain injuries, amputation, paralysis, and trauma can result from various types of offshore drilling hazard, including rigs collapses, hazardous weather conditions, defective equipment or poorly maintained equipment, blowouts, chemical explosion and other offshore fire, sleeping cat heads, deck or platform collapses, broken cables, unsecured tools, toxic leaks, collision with other vessels, inadequately trained crew members, falls from ladders and slip on stairs, sludge and oil contamination, falling overboard. And then there is also drill ship accident. Drilling ships or drill ships are vessels that contain their onboard drilling rigs and are used for exploratory drilling and extracting oil and gas at sea. Unlike other offshore vessels, drill ships are highly mobile and can move quickly between drilling wells and other locations. Maritime work aboard drillship is physically demanding and can be very dangerous. Whether it is malfunctioning equipment or problematic gear, the working conditions and tools used and become disastrous for seamen. Drillers can be injured by hazard like falling object or severe burns, back and neck injuries, or even lost limb to amputation after a crash injury. At least 40% of these offshore accidents occur in the drill floor. If you were injured while working on a drill ship, your claim falls under the Jones Act. This means you will receive maintenance and cure benefits from your employer or payment of your medical bills and at least a portion of your wages. In addition, you may also be able to file a civil lawsuit against your employer and any other responsible parties. In a Jones Act a case, and injured offshore worker can seek compensation for their pain and suffering. Past and future lost wages, disability and disfigurement, past and future medical treatment, and other available damages. And then there is also oil platform deaths. Because oil rigs workers are surrounded by heavy equipment and flammable, often volatile substances all day, any accident could be fatal or leave someone in serious condition. Working on an oil platform comes with a lot of occupational risks. Many fatal oil platform incidents occur because the companies employing maritime workers put profit before safety. If your loved one was killed while working at sea, you could file a claim under Death on a High Seas Act. The Death on a High Seas Act holds negligent vessels owner, operators, and crew members responsible for the wrongful death of offshore workers. The Act covers the damages of pain and suffering for the deceased family, but only certain family members, the surviving spouse and children, and also parents and siblings, but only if they were financially dependent on the deceased. A Death on a High Seas Act claim must be filed within 3 years of the death, and maritime cases can take a while to investigate, so do not wait to contact an experienced offshore accident attorney. Compensation for a drillship injury cases. When you or your loved one suffers injuries in a serious offshore accident, you might feel overwhelmed and unsure how to move forward. Fortunately, there are maritime laws in place to protect victims of oil rig accident, and an experienced maritime attorney can help you recover compensation you deserve. The Houston personal injury lawyers at the cruise law firm PC have successfully presented victims of offshore drilling accidents for decades. We are 100% committed to supporting your recovery process. And then our Texas offshore drilling injury lawyers can help you get financial compensation for medical costs, physical pain, mental anguish, physical impairment, disfigurement, and more damages caused by work-related accident. After an initial assessment, we will evaluate your situation, collect evidence and documents, and prepare a legal claim against the negligent party or parties. Schedule a free one-on-one case consultation today with experienced Houston Offshore. And then they do not charge any legal fees unless you receive a financial recovery. I think that's all the information that I can say to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.